You're watching Mamu TV.
Oh, well, morning. Here what going on now? Here what really going on now? Welcome to day 15. Welcome to day 15 of whatever this is taking place right now. And here it is. I had planned a day today. I say about one nice still secluded spot up Vancouver. A little clearing by a riverbank, and that was the plan to go there and spend today. But this is not going nowhere this weather. It's been pouring like this all morning. I say, well, if it stop, I would still make the jump out. Still gonna do how to do, but yeah, kinda heavy. And thinking about all my paths, all the road I had to pass to get out of here. And almost everyone I will have to encounter some flood. So I think I'm gonna have to talk about this one today. As much as I hate it. As much as I hate too. I was really looking forward to going today. Even the rain I would go, but not this heavy rain and not by that riverbank. You know what I mean? And then I say, well, I could still make a run down flower pot, but flood. And then I say, well, I could head up Cali Bay side. But I sure Cooper, they might bounce up flood on that main road. And I mean, real terrible. Head out to the highway, I had to pass flood by air marketing. So on an island, that's the thing on an island. I'm on top of a hill, and there's water on every path leading down from the hill. I'll check back in later if anything. If not, you can see how the day go, how things develop. Okay, now, I don't know what that's what I'm calling for. That's what I call for a nice soup. One of my favorite kind of soup. Hold on, check this out. My favorite type of soup. We're gonna be making a pigtail soup. That's right, it's gonna be a cooking one. Let me go. Alright, first things first. I open this pack. See, this says cured pork tails. Cured is salt. So this had a boil. That had a wash and boil. Take out that salt before we could even season this or think about cooking it or anything. This has some fat. Alright, they just now let me go get some seasoning. Damn it! All that and I ain't record nothing. All that and I forget to press record. Okay. I went and picked seasoning. Pick seasoning outside. Went and picked some lime. Cut up the lime, put it in the pot with some water, and we boil and we pigtail to get out our salt. And I'm now going to cut up the rest of the ingredients and prepare them up. And I don't know how much I just now actually record. Alright, moving on. There we go. Alright, so we got a little bowl going here. Start with the sweet pepper, I think. Remove the seeds. This is pimento pepper, so these will give you the pepper flavor, like the taste, but not the heat that you would get with a hot pepper. Yeah, let's just give that a rough cut. This time here. This time here, peel off these leaves. This one here, got celery and my save. As I say, we're just giving everything a rough cut at first. How much onion? About this much. Hearing it bubbling. Oh, now starting to bubble, alright. 10 minutes. Stir. I wish I could smell this right now. Smelling so nice with all the seasoning. Yeah, so all the seasoning here will be going together with the meat into the pressure cooker for 10 minutes, causing basically all of this niceness here to melt out and flavor the soup. But that's okay. I'm not a bright man sometimes. Alright. Now we're waiting. How much here is? 7.5 minutes. Hold on. Oh crap. This thing loose. Yes, I. Alright, 7.5 minutes again with that. 7.5 minutes again with that. Ooh, I could cut some more potatoes. So this entire soup does take about an hour, maybe an hour and 10 minutes. If so much, which is pretty good for a pigtail soup on a rainy day. Once you have a pressure cooker, of course, that does make it a lot easier. 10 minutes time. 10 minutes in the pressure cooker and pigtail good to go. What you doing? Alright? All good? Bad weather's right. I tell all about this rainy season thing, you know. Trim off some of the excess fat. Looks like this is pure fat. This is pure fat and a piece of skin. You don't want to take off all that because you need some, you know what they say, where there's fat, there's flavor. You don't want to go too crazy with the trimming. Okay, alright, there we trimming it. And this is what Mozart is called good boy treats. Alright, that seasoning. Have what we call green seasoning. There's just some ground up seasonings from the garden. Shadow Benny and thing. Let's see, I can tell you. Yeah, there's Shadow Benny and a little bit of thyme. it. Tablespoon, tablespoon and a half of oil. With a little touch of butter. A little touch of French made cooking, whatever, margarine. Just a little piece and a little more for good measure. And we let that get hot there. Yeah, that looking about good then. Yeah, smelling about good too. And notice a difference in its scent. Arriba! Alright, nice. Alright, cover this. Right, and now we set the timer. We listen. When it started to make noise, when it start to go psh, 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 turn it down to low heat and leave it for, they say 12 minutes. 12 to, we'll go to 13 minutes, 13 minutes to be safe. Yeah, so I'll check back in at that point in time. But for now, here's what we're looking like. This here, ooh, I don't need flour for dumpling. Nobody remind me. Or you should have told me something. Alright, I'm going to organize that. Alright. One cup of flour. So this is a half teaspoon. Yeah, so that's quarter teaspoon of salt. I don't know how much water that is, I just average it, which is usually what I do. It's better to go a little less than more, because you could always add more, you can't take out. And I don't take much, to be honest. Here is it is. And we are with dumpling ball. It's starting to make noise. Nice, it's starting to make noise there. Turn down the heat. Now what you want is that just a cool, slow, constant stream of steam coming out there. Anything more than that is a waste. And set the timer for 13 minutes at this point. Ooh, the place started to make hot as the rain stopped. The rain finally stopped though. Maybe we could make that river thing tomorrow, who knows. Ooh, a flower on my tripod. Yeah, alright, timer, 13 minutes, there we go. Alright, I will check back in exactly 13 minutes. Wait, have anything else? No, the veggies cut up, the dumpling. I think that's about it. So now we carefully release the pressure. Carefully release the pressure. I'll tell you, the first time I tried to use a pressure cooker was to make dal. I had to take dal off the ceiling time I done. So yeah, carefully release the pressure. I was 9 years old. I still eat it, the dal was green, but I still end up eating it. I was hungry with it. And I don't make dal. I'm gonna set up over here. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright, so we got promoted. Smelling good too. Alright. Now we light this fire, add in the rest of the ingredients. Oh, I forgot to cut up one of the potato. What happened? Feel all they distract me there. I'll blame on them for that. Let that get back up to boil. Once that start back boiling, check 5 minutes, and then we gonna put in we dumpling. But we had to prepare we dumpling and then beforehand. So let me get to that. That's okay. And then you cut in little half-inch pieces. So basically that's gonna be a dumpling then. Alright, we dumpling them prepared. Yeah, alright, give that a 5-6 minutes. Let that start to boil vigorously, and then we can start adding in the dumpling on them. Alright, now have a pretty vigorous boil, so I could start adding in dumplings. Let that get back up to temperature, and what you're looking for now is as soon as them dumplings and them start to float, wait 2 minutes, turn it off, and we soup good to go. So yeah, watch it. Okay, I'll check back in when they start to float. Let's see in there. Alright, so now you turn it off and just leave that covered for about 10 minutes. Let the residual heat do what it has to do and soupify everything, and then we go dish out and eat. Oh yeah, this has been day 15. Whoops. Yeah, day 15. There we go. Smelling real good. Let me get a little taste. Oh, that's good soup. Nice thing for the weather. Well, it's about that time. I see the size of my bowl. I am playing. I'm not playing. Trust me. Tell her now there. Watch me. RL bar. I tell all you RL bar. All you know RL bar. All you know RL bar. Let me try this thing. Let me try this thing. Let me get a sample here. See how this gonna go. Oh boy. Oh, that sauce good. Perfect on the potato. A piece of pigtail to try. A small piece of the pigtail to try. Alright, let me try this piece. Second sweetest meat. Oh yes. That's real good. Alright, so I'm gonna sit down and enjoy that and taking some tea. Ooh, this has been day 15. As usual, if all have been following along and all they make it this far, I wanna say thanks. I really appreciate it. Hope all you enjoy anything, and I will check back in tomorrow. Till then, all keep good and all stay blessed. Mamu out for the hour. Later, folks. Oh, oh, oh look, a wet soup. Oh, one more bite and I made it to schedule a maternity photo shoot. Oh, that was good though. I got boss for real, Dread.